Hey guys, so today I'm sharing an Ikea DIY and I picked up these SOCKER plant pots for 99 cents at Ikea, and for my taste a little bit too basic and simple. That's why I turned it into something more chic and vintage looking. Start by painting the plant pot, and I wanted it pretty much seamless, that's why I chose white, but you can choose any color you want. Next, you want to start braiding the rope, and I braided 3 strings and then I braided those into a thicker braid. Now you can go ahead and cut the end off and secure it with hot glue. Then start gluing the braid onto your plant pot. Continue this until you get to the top. And that's already it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up and then I will see you next week.